He e pingo po. E ki katina I mahi. Kau whai pe kau. Kau maui kua kama. Si kai ngā loko. Ko tau kau whakataha. Loto whare. Maria I āpurata. Whakaama I whakataha. Mahi tina. Whakaloloto I tau kui. Whakakawe I ngā aki. Te whāni. Ko I whāwele a tangata Aileen. Ko Mr. Ephraim Finley. A joy for all the world. Ko hingeni whakataha wa mamalahi a whāwili. I he wāwhe taha waru. O uho a lea o kakano o I whakuni. I he tohi he kakai ko hinto. Ko ofa o kukatahi. Ko ofa o kuanga lele. Ka wauia mo whakaate a hiba o amanaki ke mau hiba I aku. Koe nau nau o ofa. Kua whiawhia o whiunga anoa. Tini ka pui e funga o mamani ka mo mea mai.
our origin, of constant glory. Love is our fulfillment in God's wedding place. Love is the mystery of Father, Son, and Spirit. Love is communion of Blessed Trinity. The joy of love, the joy for all God's family. The joy of love, transcending time and space. Our love for each other, heroes love the Father's love. The joy of love, the joy for all the earth. This is what God asks of us, to act with justice, to love with tenderness, to walk humbly with God, to live our lives in service to others. The joy of the gospel is the joyful love of Christ. The joy of love, the joy for all God's family. The joy of love, transcending time and space. Our love for each other, heroes love the Father's love. The joy of love, the joy for all the earth. There's of peace, natures of peace. Love knows for all things good. Love never
Malo, malo ke whanau la takia Alogia Nuku Alofa.